I don't know what to decide. Okay, I'm just gonna skip to whole time I was looting. Um, okay, I'm just gonna put my gameplay loading. That's the enemy on the top. The one that I killed, I think. Yeah, I killed him. Pretty sure. I mean, I hope it will load. Okay, so this is just me trying to peek up at him. Oh my, it's so laggy. Me just wait for him. It shows that there's nothing there, but there's actually snow there. Just so I kill him there. Just because I'm gonna replay it so you show. Let's go back. Oh my goodness, it takes forever just to load. Okay, so I'm at 75 health. So I'm gonna play it safe. I didn't know how much health he had. He comes out, I'm like, oh, I'll take advantage of that. I go and grab his loot. I hurry up because I saw the RPG. I'm like, that's my kill. That's my RPG. There is ground there. That's weird. That's very. I was gonna pick up the SMG, then he took it. Yeah. I didn't know what to do. Who's Faze Gunga? YouTuber? So I'm just farming. I mean, I don't know if you guys want to see it, but I'm just gonna skip it. Okay, so he dies to fall damage. I dance on him. Oh my goodness, what in the world? So I end up fighting him. Just so I actually go over to the chair and start looting. And my teammate, let's go farther. They decide to rush, as you can. And I'm not even paying attention at all. What? What? What's happening to me? There you go. Okay, so I'm just here. I'm still here. And no, one of them is about ready to go down. I have full shield, so I'm looking good. So now I actually notice that they're in trouble. So laggy. At that time, I realized, oh, I don't have any bouncers. I don't want to take any fall damage. That's why I did that. My teammate, Clickbait, actually gets downed. I was thinking we were going to lose this game. Honestly. I didn't know how much health they were on. I'm. Yeah, I hit him once. Finishes my teammate. It's actually a pretty useful RPG. I'm like, okay, this guy's really white. I didn't know they both were like. Now, how did that RPG not hit? Somehow that killed both of them. And then I realized that my teammate's about ready to die, so I'm like, oh, I just gotta get over there. He ends up dying anyways. He's actually like 2 health, or probably 4. I can't build, okay? I had 3 kills at this moment. Okay, I don't go for kills, okay? I don't go for kills. Actually, get to pick up the scar right now. Annual Wizard, that's actually the guy that I 1v1'd in the final circle. I don't know why, but I shot at that guy. Why? Yeah, I saw that someone was over there somewhere. Where is he? Yeah, I lasered this kid. He just got lasered. Now, this guy, the Arctic Assassin, I'm like, this guy must be on like 12 kills. Surprisingly, he got no kills the whole game. I thought he was like a pro player. I mean, he's good, but, you know. All the people. Yeah, the guy, Annual Wizard. See him sneaking around Polar Peak? Yeah. He placed number 3. I actually end up not killing these people because the storm was coming in. Keep on breaking my stairs, it's kind of weird. I'm like, we need to go. Yeah, he actually got a heal. Okay, I'm not good at sniping. And he places a launch pad and it actually leaves me. Yeah, I hit that guy once. Okay, I'm not good at sniping, okay? I'm not. I'm just not. That was really close, though. That was, like, right over his head. Now, he gets down by this player. He just says, I was gonna try to revive him, but he says, just leave me. He just fell down. He's like, at this moment, he's just like, okay, just leave me. So I leave him. I'm not a bad player. I would have revived him. Now, he's really low, so that's why I use the launch pad. Thinking like, oh, this is not a good circle for me. I'm gonna have to. He gets down right now. I actually kill him right there. Actually, he's trying. Right now, he's trying to revive. So I'm like, I just need to push. Right now, I'm running low on mats. I have 300 brick. Yeah, he double cones me. It's like. Then I'm thinking, like, should I really do this though? Now, at this moment, I didn't know where he went. So I'm just like, okay, finish this guy. I get the elimination. I'm like, get his loot and take off. Yeah, get the launch pad and take off. Because, like, I needed his material, honestly. They're saying right now, my teammates, if we win this game, this is gonna be the easiest win ever. I'm like, well, I have a lot of mats. Might as well. Yeah, that was kind of risky, but I'm like, okay, they're fighting. I need to third party this. No, okay. I'm sorry. I'm really bad at sniping. Yes, I got to. I got a third part of this. A little bit of lag. I'm like, okay, bouncer. I don't know why I used a bouncer there. Honestly, that was such a bad idea. I'm like, oh no. I need to get out of here. Yeah, let's do it. I did not fall off there. Just lags a lot in this Sweet Play mode. I'm like, I'm just gonna wait for them to, fight each other. Yeah, I'm like, oh yes. My time to shine. Maniac seat. Yeah. I did not know how much health he was at, but I knew that he was low because they fought. So I just keep on. Okay, I got a little lucky here with spraying. He tried to pull up this big pot. Yeah, he was trying to pull off this big pot right now. He was so close to doing it too. Now at that moment, I'm like, how did he pull off that that cone? Like, that's a really good cone. I get a really lucky headshot. I mean, honestly. Okay, that's all.